Lazy cat, the alarms are ringing.
Gabba. All right, I'm up.
Right, let's make some eggs.
Oh no, what a mess. Wait, don't go. We're coming.
Have a good day.
Don't leave us. Hurry, kittens.
Meow. I'm working so hard, meow. Meow. I'm so exhausted from cleaning. They totally buy it. Meow. Almost done, I promise. This is too easy. Meow. Time for a snack.
Delivery for you.
You're a day.
Welcome back, kittens. Big hug.
Snacks first. Meow.
Oh, all right then.
Yummy snacks. Ooh, hoo, hoo. Ah. Oh. Ah.
Oh! Ooh!
Meow. Pizza. Don't tell. One large pepperoni. Shh. All clear.
Yummy pizza.
Pizza delivery. Great. I'll take those. That'll be 12 pounds.
Oh, it's not what it looks like. I saw everything.
So about the payment?
Mom, Dad was bad today. First, he watched TV all morning. Then he took a nap instead of chores. And my homework on Google.
I swear it wasn't me. I was just sitting here.
Oh, really? With a halo and all?
It's not what it looks like, honest.
Save it.
All right, kittens. Time for bed. No more jumping. You'll wake the whole house.
Hey, stop throwing those pillows.
Come back here, you two! And the brave cat warrior climbed the highest mountain.
Wow, what happened next?
He found a treasure chest filled with shiny toys.
Toys.
Settle down, you two. Darling, look at my new look. What on earth? Oh, my days.
That could be ridiculous.
It's artistic.
Stop it! I can't breathe!
Right then, the perfect Sunday plan. 10 a.m. sleeping, 11 eating, 12 TV, 2 nap, 4 snacks.
Meow.
Did you hear about the Smith's dog? No, do tell. It's chasing the postman again. Oh, that's priceless.
I know, right?
Meow, meow, meow.
Meow, meow, meow.
Meow, meow, meow.
Meow, meow, meow. Meow, meow, meow.
ये थे राजा बिली और उनकी फैमिली की कहानी। थोड़ी पगाल, थोड़ी फनी, लेकिन पूरी अपनी। अगर आपका घर भी ऐसा है तो लाइक करें, शेयर करें और सब्सक्राइब जरूर करें। अगले एपिसोड में राजा बिली कुछ और करेंगे। तब तक अल्लाह हाफिज।